How to unarchive a post on Instagram. Unarchiving a post on Instagram is a very simple process, so let me just walk you through it. Firstly, open Instagram on your device. On Instagram, make sure you are logged in to your account. Go to your profile section and tap on the three-line icon at the top right corner. On your settings and activity, you need to scroll down a bit and select the option Archive. Now you will land to your story archive. Click on the drop down menu at the top and select Post Archive. Now here you will see your post. Select the post. Tap on the three dot icon at the top right corner. From the menu that appears at the bottom, select the option Show on Profile. When you do that, then this post will be removed from your archived section, and when you go to your profile, then it will appear. So that's all for today. Thank you.